Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, you need to access Devices Settings. Now click on Connections, scroll all the way down and choose More Connection Settings. From here, tap on Printing section and tap on Default Print Service. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different print service, you need to disable this one by tapping on this switcher and tap on the back button. Now click on Download plugin instead and install the best print service for you, in my case HP one. When your app is ready, click on the back button twice. Now just tap on your service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!